Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to lock apps on iOS 18. First of all, what you have to do is unlock your iPhone. Once your iPhone has been unlocked, what you have to do is long press any icon or any applications icon that you want to lock. For instance, if I want to lock the CapCut applications, what I will do, I will press and hold the icon of CapCut and then a new window will appear. On this section, you will be able to see an option called Require Face ID. You have to select that option. Once you select the Require Face ID, you will be prompted towards a new option, which is Require Face ID and Hide and Require Face ID. If you only want to lock your applications, then you have to select Require Face ID. Once you select that option, your application, or for instance, I have selected the CapCut, so my CapCut is now locked. Whenever someone will try to open this application, it will ask Face ID required to open CapCut or any other application. So that's basically how you can lock apps on iOS 18. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.